is burning, but it's cold tonight. The stars are shining, but they don't feel right. This old cowboy heart's been riding along out on this trail that I call my home. I talk to the moon, but it don't talk back. Just me in the dark on this endless track. So I pray to the midnight sky that someday love will pass me by. I've been wandering too long, lost in the blue. I just need someone to ride with me through. Yeah, I'm a lonely cowboy with a prayer in my song. The saddle's worn and my heart's the same. Every town I ride through calls your name. I ain't afraid of the miles ahead, but it's hard to dream when your heart feels dead. I tip my hat to the wind in the sky, but no one answers my silent cry. So I pray to the midnight sky that someday love